tonight and sing like this. Goodness and mercy on my life shall surely follow me, and in Jerusalem forevermore my dwelling place must be. Yea, though I walk from days dark, there be light there and no hill. Thou art with me, thy rock and thy staff, which surely comforts me. Goodness and mercy of my life shall surely follow me, and in justice forevermore my virgin good you shall be. I wrap my wise, you said it. This mountain sing, 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 yeah. Sing along, come, come, sing, sing, sing. Come now, man, cook it down that pot now. You say, still with your whole heart's desire, still tell Donald Trump, say we need one love, one heart for every man. So we need one love, one heart for every man. So we need one love, one heart for every man. So we need one love, one heart for every man. Oh yes, oh Lord, 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 oh yeah, oh yeah. I dedicate this one to the people of the Caribbean. Oh yeah, yeah. If I said Jamaica, I would say, he'd say, oh our Father, who art in Zion, say hallelujah. Oh, this other we say hallelujah. I am smart and Christ is real. Love the Lord.